Hi guys, Taz here from Wheels Up Boots On, and today we are going to be doing a glass and seashells resin picture. So I'm going to be doing it in this, which just had lettering in it, so I took out that, painted it, sealed it around the edges so that the resin doesn't come through. Here are all the things I'm going to be using. I've got crystal beads, I've got pearls, I've got glass beads, a glass thing there. I've got coral, gravel, seashells, little small ones mean large, mediocre, but these are going to be what's going to be in it as well. And I've got an oyster that I've already made a little water bit in there, so I've got the pearls to go in them as well, make it more realistic, and some resin. So let's get going. Right, just mixed up the resin. So we've got turquoise, okay, there. Right, let's just add in a couple of drops of the blue. I mean, I'm not trying to make a seascape or anything, I'm just doing shells and glass, all the little sparkly bits. Oh, I tell you what, that's what I forgot. So I've got some of them as well. It's only to add it to give it a little bit of sparkle. Right, I think I'll add another couple of drops in. Oh, a little bit too much now. Well, I say that it's supposed to be turquoise, so turquoise, we don't want to fill all of it, we just want to do like a squiggly line of it. Brilliant. And then we'll just squidge that down. If I start like an S shape, and this resin is a 40-minute set time. Right, shove in the rubbish. And the reason why I've left half in there is when you put the bits in, you will need to, so what we'll do is we'll just put in bits into crystals. So I'll keep some of them for a couple of little big ones in. Right, so let's put the bigger things in. Right, so I want this sort of sitting here, like that. And I'll resin in some resin into that there. I want that there, fits. I've got bigger. Let's put the crab there. Okay. This is like coral. It's really cool. These to go in as well, but I want to put these in last. But I want to put these in so They kind of go in like that. Alright, what I'll do is just sit that there for a second. I love this. Right, and I want these to sort of, what I might do is I might glue them in if I can't actually get them to sit there, because I want one to be in this, so to sort of place this along the edges a little bit. So we got a little bit of sparkle. Don't worry if you've got it and you've, I don't know, you've put it and you think, oh no, I've ruined it. You've never ruined it, okay? Because it doesn't really matter. With the sea and anything in the sea, it's not perfectly put in a position. It's just there. It exists. So you just put your little bits and pieces where life exists, you know? Right, what I want to do is just lightly go over all these bits that are not really securely put in. Like this one has to be really made sure it's in, because it's quite a big piece. I mean, all seabeds have gravel, or light corally gravel, I suppose. And that'll all this that looks wet, it will all dry off to clear. What I did with some of these is I bent them around a stone so that if I had to put them up against, like I've done there, they will look naturally bent, because they are starfish and they do move, they do bend, you know. Might put a couple more down there, a couple more in there. Let me just try and get that in there. Silver bit. Oh, I want to keep that because I might, this would make a good, like a fin on a fish, so sometimes I keep things like that just in case. Like I say, it doesn't have to be uniform, it's just got to be what it is, you know. It's got seashells in. Right, this is it all finished, and I painted the crab because I thought it was a bit plain in the background, just kind of white, made it look a little bit bare. Oh, so everything else has come up really nice, really sparkly, which I'm really happy about. I'm going to put a little bit of string around the back, make it still look a bit beachy, and that's it completed then. Well, it's completed now, but yeah, look, the spuffies. Little eyes, little eyes. I'll put the pearl. That's all on there, lovely. So yeah, all finished. Okay, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and any comments you have of anything, things that you think I might be interested in doing and you want to watch, just put down in the comments below. I will put everything in the description that I've used, and that's basically it really. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.